Welcome back to our series of videos on the highlights of Excel. I am Kathy Barker, this is Software Solutions, and we're now looking at sorting and filtering. If you have a list, such as I do here with targets, we often type the list or get the information, but it's not necessarily sorted in a format that we want. So for example, I might decide I need this list sorted by region. I'll click somewhere in the column that contains region, and on my quick access toolbar we actually added two buttons in video 1. One of them is A to Z, that sorts them from Auckland all the way down to Wellington, or Whakatane, sorry, and control up arrow. Or I could go Z to A, which sorts it from Whakatane down to Auckland. So all I did was sat in the column I wanted to sort by and went A to Z or Z to A. So I might decide, oh, I want to sort by department. In that case, instead of using these buttons, you can also go to this sort and filter button here, and you can sort in ascending order, so all my automotive are together, or I can turn around and sort them in descending order, Z to A, and so they're sorted with sales at the top. But if your data is numeric or chronological, these sort options still work. For example, if I want to sort by deadline, I click somewhere in here and I simply go A to Z, which now tells me this will sort it from oldest to newest, as opposed to here it told me it would sort it from A to Z. So click in deadline, sort it from oldest to newest or newest to oldest, or click on an actual sales figure and sort it numerically, the smallest at the top or the largest at the top. So you can easily sort by just sitting in a column, but what if you want to sort by more than one column? In that case, I would say to you, you need the custom option. I'm sitting in the list, I go to my sort and filter button, and here's my custom sort. Now what you might do is right click that button and add it to your quick access toolbar. So now it's sitting here and I've got quick access to that feature. If I click that button, it automatically highlights for me and it recognizes my data has headers, and there they are there, and it's not including the headers in the sort. I might decide I need to sort by first name first. Add a level, I need to sort by last name second. Add a level, I need to sort by region third. Add a level, and then sort by department fourth. You can have up to 64 columns that you want to sort by. You can stretch this and see those 64 columns, but I'm just going to go OK. Immediately it's sorted by first name, last name, region, and department. But I'm noticing the sort order is a little bit off. So I'm going to go back into custom sort, and I recognize here that first name has been sorted from Z to A. So I'll change that to A to Z, and so it'll sort all of these four columns in ascending order. And so now I have my first name sorted, my last name sorted, my region, my department, and so on. So that's sorting. Now the other thing that we often want to do is filter. I may only want those records from Tauranga. A quick way to turn the filter on is to press Control-Shift-L. Control-Shift-L I remember because it's a list, L. Control-Shift-L turns off the filter and turns on the filter. If I then go and hit the drop down for region, I can untick Select All and say give me Tauranga. And when I click OK, I have filtered out the 42 out of 270 records it tells me down here, which are the Tauranga records. If I want to clear that filter, I simply hit the drop down on region and I clear the filter. If I need to filter out a certain person or persons, I'll click the drop down on last name, unselect all, and ask for maybe Bennett and for Afonso. When I click OK, I've got Bennett and Afonso. The row numbering goes blue, which indicates there's a filter at play. Certain rows are missing, they're the ones that aren't Bennett or Afonso. The bottom of my screen tells me 6 out of 270 records were Bennett and Afonso, so filtering's really, really handy. If I press Control-Shift-L, I'll turn the filter off. So if you work with large lists, sorting and filtering are really handy. Join me for the next video.